For the bad lighting, I've been working for 15 minutes and a half working on a chocolate pudding slimesona character, and I'm just about to color her in a few minutes or so. But I just want to let you guys know if maybe I could, like, I don't know, I have no ideas whatsoever, but I'm thinking what personality she should have, since I mostly describe herself as nervous, cute, and shy and timid. So this is Nutella. She's 15 years old and she's a chocolate pudding slime. If she gets hurt or one of her limbs got cut off, she needs to have access to chocolate pudding as soon as possible, because she might even die if she doesn't have any chocolate pudding to keep herself alive. Her insides are mostly dark chocolate inside. In the outside of her body is just pure light, like chocolate. I really love this slimesona character. Honestly, it's my favorite. It's my fifth one. I have no idea what to do with her. She is just pure an angel. I had the last 3 slime characters. I had the Coca-Cola slime, as you see in my last speed paint video. And maybe and hopefully, I might do more. I might make a new OC. I was planning on making a TV head OC. And because I think all OCs are just unique and as cute as they are supposed to be, but like everything in my mind is just completely gone, and I had nothing of what to do for a video. But let me know what you guys think of my chocolate pudding slime character. Ain't she just adorable? I'm still working on information on her, and maybe I can link it into my ABSX Paint account, and as soon as possible. Well, this is all for this discussion today, and yes, I have no school tomorrow, so I'll be able to post as often as I can. Well, that's it for today.